Hello, Dr. Alfred Davis Jr., your most trusted wellness advisor, Davis Chiropractic Center, 309 Orange Road in Montclair, New Jersey. Today I'm here to tell you about next week's festivities. On Friday, June 1st, we're going to have, I believe, the 21st Annual Memories Party. That's going to be happening at the Montclair High School George Ennis Annex. And that's going to start on Friday, June 1st from 8 p.m. to 12 midnight. Of course, the following day we have our big celebration, Montclair's African American Heritage Parade and Festival, celebrating, I believe, our 21st year this year. That's going to start at Glenfield Park. That, of course, is in Montclair on the intersection of Maple and Bloomfield Avenue. The parade is going to then transgress through the 4th Ward of Montclair, and it's going to end up in Nishuane Park. And they'll probably begin at about 10:30 in the morning. The festival, though, in Nishuane Park is going to begin at 12 noon. So that's going to go from 12 noon to 6 p.m. on Saturday, June 2nd. We're going to have a great time. They're going to be out there. We're going to be doing spinal screenings. We're going to have some great entertainment. I believe this year Melba Moore, the R&B singer and actress, is going to be featured, along with Gerald Austin, lead singer of the Manhattan. So you don't want to miss this. We're hoping for good weather. We want to see all of the families out. We want to see all of Montclair out, having a great time celebrating African American Heritage Parade and Festival. It's Memorial Day weekend. We want you to be safe. We want you to have fun, spend some time with family, eat some healthy food, drink additional amounts of water, get maybe a little bit extra rest to get ready for Tuesday next week. And just have a good time. I am Dr. Alfred Davis Jr., your most trusted wellness advisor. Come to us for pain relief. Stay with us for health and wellness. Thank you.